Yo, what's up, guys? It's Ian, or IP Media, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a really cool looking title like this in Element 3D in After Effects. Stay to the end to see some really cool extra stuff. So we're going to start off by grabbing your layers if you have multiple, or just one, but you're going to grab your layer or layers, highlight them, right click them, pre-compose it, move all attributes into the new composition, and press OK. From here, we're going to create our text. You're going to right click here, do text, create new text, done. I'm messing around with this Remble video, so I'm going to just put the name of the artist. So I'm going to put Remble, the song name. Not going to go through too much of this. You guys should know how to do this. Then I'm going to go down here and create a new solid. Press OK. Then I'm going to grab Element 3D. I'm going to drop Element 3D on the solid. And this is how you set up multiple layers. I'm going to go into custom text and masks. Then I'm going to choose Remble for the first one. And then I'm going to choose a song name for the second. I'm going to close this. And then I'm going to go into custom texture maps and select our pre-comped layer. I'm going to close all these up. And then I'm going to go scene setup. From here, I'm going to press extrude to get the first one. Press extrude again to get the second one. It'll be the same. But then you're going to go down here into the custom path and change it from custom path 1 to 2. Now you should get this. It'll be the title and the artist name all set up, or even just random text that you want to do. Now here, I'm going to go in. I'm going to grab the Chrome because I just like the Chrome personally. I'm going to drop the Chrome on the bottom one. I'm going to double click it. And I'm going to go into the Chrome text. Go down into the environment down here. And press the pre-comp layer. It's going to be the same thing for the next. Select the color that you want. Go into the environment and kind of go from there. I'm going to speed this part up. But you basically go into the environment, change it into the environment for the pre-comp, press OK. Then I like to grab this little anchor point on the element layer, move it around a little bit. You're going to go into here and you're going to turn off the text layers. And now we can start messing with all of this. You can do this before or after. I just turn off the text layers on here for the sake of the tutorial. I'm going to go in to group 1, go into particle look, and go down into multi-object. We're going to enable multi-object on the text. From here, we're going to close all these and go down into animation engine. And we're going to enable the animation engine. Keyframe it on the first frame. Move it all the way up. We're going to go a little bit into the clip. And reset it. I'm going to scroll up, press U on my keyboard. Just to isolate those keyframes. And you should start getting something like this. Now what you're going to do is go to the first frame and go into the multi-object, rotation, keyframe the rotation random, and move this up, and go back in to around the frame where you had the animation, keyframe, stop. We're going to right click it and press reset again. And now you should have something like this. I suggest to offset the keyframes so it's not directly on the animations keyframe. We're going to take these, highlight these, Control C, Control V. And then we're going to take the first keyframe and Control C and go to the end of the clip and Control V. Let's play it through. You should get this. Very clean look. But from here, we're going to go in and kind of mess with some more of the settings. What we're going to do is we're going to go in and we're going to go in to our render settings and go down into motion blur. We're going to turn this on, and you can boost this up however you want, but I'm just going to do this for the sake of the tutorial. We're going to play it through, and you should start seeing this nice little motion blur inhalation around everything else. Now for the next part, we're going to add a little bit more to the text. We're going to start off by pre-composing the solid layer. Move all the attributes and press OK. From here, we're going to type in turbulent displace. We're going to click and drag that onto the solid layer. We're going to keyframe it on amount and size on the very first frame. We're going to go into it a little bit, and we're going to go back and type in 0. Should get something like this. Now we're going to go back in and we're going to type in shadow into our effects and presets. Type in shadow, scroll down, and grab the shadow from perspective. We're going to drop that onto there. And with shadow, we're going to go in to distance and move it up a little bit if you want to. Play around with this for the scene. Thank you guys if you guys have stayed until this point. Try to give you guys a little bit extra sauce at the end with the turbulent displace and the shadow. And yeah, I'm going to keep dropping these until I hit the 30th tutorial. You guys have a great rest of your day. Hopefully this helped you out. I'm out.